So even though I am a game developer and content creator with over 4 years of experience, I really wanted to go to university to try to learn a little bit more about game development and to hopefully be able to get some kind of degree to validate everything that I know. Because once again, even though I've been able to work with top companies, with lots of clients, create lots of things, so I am not starting from complete scratch, I do believe like that a university degree can help a little bit me get better jobs, get better clients, ask for more money when I'm working, and well, all the advantages that you may think that a university degree can come with. You are seeing the background. A university degree wouldn't be the only thing that I have, so I have proven expertise, I have results, I have projects that I've created, certificates from other places. So well, I will have a combination of both things that you need to, let's say, kind of succeed in the world right now. So first of all, here in my online portfolio, I'm just going to be using this as the example. So I'm in the first year of the university degree in video game development at the National Technological University UTN of Argentina, basically. Just if you want to know where I'm studying, well, there I am. And well, something also if you want to know, I was awarded a full scholarship to study there for winning a game development contest organized by the university, okay? So the contest was quite simple. You just had to send a game that you have created, kind of pitch it. So you have to say, okay, what makes this game different, what is good about it, what is bad about it, etc. And well, then I was chosen a winner of the scholarship. Also, what you have to know is that this is completely virtual, so I don't have to go like face to face to the university. So that's quite cool because I can get to do everything from my home, and that's the reason why I am also able to just kind of write everything digitally, and I don't have to use any kind of paper or anything like that. And I'm organizing all this inside of an app called Notion that you can download for complete free. I'm not going to be kind of showing you here step by step how to create something similar to what I have. What you have to understand here are the basics of, let's say, the system that I have behind my university degree, because I think it's going to be super helpful for you if you want to learn better, either if you're in university or taking an online course, wherever. This is going to be super helpful. So lots of these things I'm going to be finding them in Spanish, okay, because once again this is in Argentina, but it doesn't really matter because the important thing here is the structure on how I'm actually doing this. So for example, here you find the horario, which is basically the timetable. So I have here the different weekdays, okay, from Monday to Friday, and the subject, okay, materia is subject, okay. So first I have this at the first site because I really need to know always at what time I have to go to the online class. And then I have the 4 subjects that I'm currently taking in the first quadrimester. I think it would be basically a 4 months long semester. Will be, well, it's not a semester because it's not 6 months, but you understand what I mean, 4 months. Well, these are the 4 subjects that I must pass. There's actually a 5th one, which is English, but I am not taking notes on English because, well, I think I'm going to do just fine without any notes. But well, these are probability, to the art, game design, and video games programming. Basically, those are the translations. And by the way, you can see that it isn't that complicated, at least to try to get an idea of what these are, even though it is in Spanish. So what I do is basically in any of these subjects, what I have is basically just the different classes. Right now, I only had one class, okay? So I just have like a different tab, a different page, sorry, here with the date of the class, in this case 11 March, and I shall have here the different notes of it. What I like to use here are what are called toggles, so I can basically show and hide the different information. I can even just take a screenshots of the slides that they are showing and save them if I want to. Also I can use some colors, okay, if I really want to. As you can see, everything is like perfectly organized, everything is quite simple to access. I can even highlight, okay, on top of these things, so super useful. So it's super easy then when I have an exam or whatever to just go over here to my notes and say, okay, I now want to study this topic, so I'll go over here and check what I have. So you can start to see the advantages of getting to do everything digitally. And once again, the same thing is with the other subjects, okay? For example, here we are in video game development, or programming actually. And when I have some stuff over here and some toggles inside of toggles here, even a table, okay? So some callouts over here. So everything is super easy to do. Sorry, not to do, but to use inside of Notion. Once again, in these kind of digital systems, the best thing that you can do is to start creating a base, and that base start using it, and then you're going to see what its cons are and kind of start polishing your system. So this is the system that I am currently using. Probably, okay, I am going to be modifying it as lessons go by, as I find the weaknesses, okay, of this system. But that's the key, and I really recommend that you start doing everything digitally and in the same place. I have, as you can see here in Notion, lots of things besides the university. I have my daily planner, my habit tracker, various stuff, my system to look for a job when I need to, detox activities, my physical change, game development itself, some stuff related to my house, network, finances, Let's a corporation, or other personal projects. So I have everything here. This is my life, literally. And this really allows me to be more productive, to save more time, and as you know, time is money, literally. And also, not only money, but it's also kind of being relaxed and chill, because I know that if I have a good digital system, whenever I need to take an exam on this on any of these subjects, it is going to be much easier than if I have one thing in Google Docs, one other thing in a PDF, one other thing in Word, one other stuff typed on my folder. I don't know. So having everything in just one place really makes things much easier, and this is something that I've done not only for university but also for my game development channel, for example. And I hadn't been able to reach more than 10,000 subscribers if I wouldn't have done it this way. So well, let me know what you think in the comments down below.